Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 292.2 TDCI Eco-Tech High-Top Dual-Mass Flywheel needs replacing. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 149928. MOT, 3 April 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The Duma flywheel is rattling very badly, so will need replacing. Engine starts and sounds perfect, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.